Where is Newton Crypto headquarters? You've probably heard of Newton Crypto, right? It's that Canadian platform that's making waves in the crypto world. Simple to use, low fees, and a decent selection of coins. But have you ever wondered where the magic happens? Where is the Newton Crypto headquarters? Let's dive in. Now, you might think, hey, it's a crypto company, so it must be in some futuristic skyscraper in Silicon Valley or maybe a tropical island with a private beach for all the employees. Well, think again. Newton Crypto is a bit more grounded. It's based in Toronto, Canada. That's right, the heart of the Great White North. Not exactly the first place you'd expect a crypto titan to be, is it? But hey, who says innovation can't thrive in the cold? Toronto is a tech hub, and it's been steadily growing its crypto scene. It's home to a number of other crypto startups and has a supportive regulatory environment. So, it makes sense that Newton would choose to set up shop there. But what does this mean for you, the crypto enthusiast? Well, it means that the team behind Newton is likely experiencing all four seasons firsthand. No doubt they're bundled up in winter, enjoying the vibrant summer, and dealing with the infamous Canadian politeness year-round. It also means that if you ever find yourself in Toronto, you might just spot a Newton Crypto employee grabbing a coffee or enjoying the city's diverse food scene. Maybe you could even try to pitch them your next big crypto idea. So, there you have it. Newton Crypto, a Canadian-born crypto platform making its mark on the global stage. Who would have thought? But hey, location doesn't define a company's success. It's the people, the ideas, and the execution that truly matter. And Newton seems to be doing a pretty good job on all fronts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.